Hi guys, so today we are going to be unboxing Corsair's Nautilus 360 RS LCD. It is a 360 liquid cooler which has a LCD slapped on it. I think it is the same as the other Nautilus coolers, and I could not find an unboxing, so I'm making one so that it can be shared with everyone. This is now the budget lineup of Corsair's liquid cooler lineup. It does not include the liquid temperature sensor which the previous RGB Pro XT series used to have. I'll show you what's included in the box: the standard safety and warranty stuff, the AMD bracket, and the other mounting stuff. And by default it comes installed with the Intel mounting plate, and it's very easy to change it. You just need to slide it to change this plate, just like this. This comes with a 4-pin PWM for the pump, and the USB only communicates with the LCD. This is how the radiator looks like. It's a simple radiator. I don't think much has changed between the previous designs. Only the pump has been made. The pump on this unit is now made by Corsair. Earlier it used to be the aesthetic design, so they are saying it's better significantly. And if you'll see some performance testing online, it this unit wins versus the Titan by a few degrees, let's say 2 degrees. In most reviews you'll see, I've checked 4-5 by myself. Corsair used to have cardboard packaging, now it is using paper packs. The fan comes with a standard 4-pin PWM, and the extends only 3-pin PWMs. So basically you will only get to see the fan speed of one fan, which should be identical to the other two in the daisy chain setup. They used to have rubber pads where the screws are mounted. However, it's not there in this budget series anymore.